Hi guys, this is Mrs. Pikarski. I'm outside on this beautiful day and I've got some chalk with me. If you have some chalk at home, you can feel free to do this at home with me. What I've done is I've written some different addition problems and subtraction problems on my driveway with my chalk. I'm going to show them to you guys and I'm going to give you guys some time to try to figure it out, and then we're going to go over how we can solve it together, okay? So, first one I've got here, we've got 3 plus 2 equals. Now I'm going to give you guys some time to try to figure it out at home. Remember our different ways that we've talked about how we can solve these problems, right? Addition problems. We can draw pictures, we can use our fingers. If you have a number line, you can use your number line to figure this out. So I want you to take a minute and try to think about this. We're starting with one that's not too tough. Okay, I don't know if you've got it. We're going to go over it. I'm going to use my chalk to draw some pictures, okay? So we're going to start with 3, okay? So I need 3, and you guys know I'm not the best drawer, so I'm just drawing circles for these. 3, and then our plus sign means that we do what? We join together, right? We're adding them together, so we need to add 2 more circles. So we have 3 plus 2. So we need to join these 2 together. Almost looks like a smiley face, right? So 3 plus 2. So what can we do to figure this out? We can count our pictures that we've drawn, right? So let's go ahead and count them together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 plus 2 equals what? 5. That's right. So you can use your chalk if you're following along at home, and you can write your number 5. All right, so that's our whole problem. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Now we're going to come over here and we've got our next problem. Okay, whoop, sorry guys. Okay, 4 plus 5 equals, I'm going to give you guys some time at home to figure it out. You guys can use your fingers. You can draw pictures at home with your chalk, or if you have paper and pencil, okay? And then we're gonna go over it together. So what is our first number, right? We've got 4 for our first number, so I'm gonna draw our pictures. We need 4 circles to start with. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4. Now there's that addition sign again. That means we're joining. So we need how many in our second group? 5, right? So 4 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now 4 plus 5 equals, we need to count those to figure it out. Okay, I'm gonna count, you guys count along with me at home. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my goodness. Guys, my picture was out of frame. I was gonna say that's not right. Let's try counting that again. Okay, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, that would help if I'm looking at all of them. So see, so even teachers sometimes when we're not looking at our pictures correctly, we can make mistakes. So what is our answer? 4 plus 5 equals 9. That's how many we ended up with. So make sure we write our 9 correctly. This is good practice for handwriting. And there's our finished problem. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Now, let's come over here and oops, it looks like when I was doing the last one, I kind of smudged that a little. So here's our next problem. It says 7 plus 4. We're getting a little bit trickier now, okay? So I'll give you guys some time to think about this. Remember, we can try to use our fingers. We can draw pictures at home. Okay, so we have 7 plus 4. Our first number is what? 7, right? So we need 7 in our first group, okay? So count along with me at home. I'm going to draw 7 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, and then we're adding, how many more? 4 more. So 7 plus 4, so we need to draw 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's make sure we got our whole picture in there this time. Okay, 7 plus 4. You guys want to count along with me at home? I'm gonna wait just a second. There's a car going by. All right, 7 plus 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so what's our answer? 11. 7 plus 4 equals 11. That's a 1 and a 1, 2 straight lines down. All right, now I want to see how well you guys have been doing with our subtraction, okay? So we're going to move on over here. What is our first problem at home? See if you can read our math sentence right there. Okay, we've got 5 minus 2. Make sure you're looking at that symbol. Okay, so we need to start with how many in our first group? 5. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, what is our symbol? We have a minus sign, right? So that means we are taking away. We're not joining anymore. So we have 5 minus 2. Okay, so how many do I need to take away? 2, right? So we have 5 to start with. I need to take away 2 of them. So I'm going to put an X over 1, 2. How many does that leave us with? Okay, let's count and check. 1, 2, 3. So 5 minus 2 equals 3. All right, and there's our finished problem. Now let's go to our next one. We have 2 more. Okay. Now, what is our next problem? We have 8 minus 4 equals, okay, so how many do I need to start with? 8. Okay, so I'm going to draw 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we have 8 circles there. Now, we have that minus sign, which means that we need to take away. How many are we taking away? 4, right? 8 minus 4. So we need to take 4 circles away from here. So I'm going to start on the bottom row again. I'm going to take away 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, how many does that leave us with? Let's count and check. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 minus 4 equals 4. Great job. All right, we've got one more. All right. Now, what do we have here? We have 9 minus 0 equals, all right. Now, how many are we starting with? We're starting with 9, okay? So I'm going to draw 9 circles to check my work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, see if we can see that better. Okay, 9 minus how many? So how many do we need to take away? 0, okay? Okay, how many is 0? Right, 0 is none, right? So do I need to do anything to our picture? No, I don't need to take anything away. So 9 minus 0 equals how many? How many circles do we have left? Okay, let's check. Let's count and check and make sure we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 left because we didn't take any away. Okay, so what is our answer? 9 minus 0 equals 9. So we didn't take anything away. When we are taking away or adding 0, we're always going to end up with that first number we started with. All right. Now, I hope this was fun for you guys. If you have any chalk at home and you want to do this with your parents or your grandparents or whoever you have at home, I think this is a great idea to practice, and it's a really fun thing to do outside, right? To get outside for a little bit. So if you do it at home, I would love to see pictures. I'm sure Miss Cindy would too. So you know, tell your parents to post pictures of what you're working on at home. We would love to see it. And I hope you guys are having a great day. Hopefully I'll see you soon. Have a great day. Bye.